Frustrated with your laptop's battery not charging even when plugged in, we have got your back. Join us in this troubleshooting guide where we walk you through practical steps to diagnose and fix the common issue of a laptop battery refusing to charge. Whether you are a student, professional, or tech enthusiast, a non-charging battery can be a major headache. Step 1. Check the power adapter connection to ensure it's securely plugged into both the laptop and the power outlet. Step 2. Examine the power cable for any signs of damage or wear. Replace if necessary. Step 3. Try a different power outlet to eliminate the possibilities of a faulty outlet. Step 4. Inspect the charging port on the laptop for debris or damage. Clean it gently if needed. Step 5. Restart the laptop to reset power management settings. Step 6. Check the battery health in the laptop's power settings or BIOS. Replace the battery if necessary. Step 7. Update device drivers, especially the battery and power related drivers through Device Manager. Step 8. Run the built-in Windows Power Troubleshooter to identify and fix power related issues. Step 9. Disable and re-enable the battery in Device Manager. Step 10. If the issue persists, seek professional assistance or contact the laptop manufacturer's support.